Alrighty, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Tyler Creates YouTube channel. My name's Tyler, and I hope you all are having a blessed day. I just wanted to upload this video, just a random video. Thanks to one of you donating on my Buy Me a Coffee, I was able to get a new battery for my truck. Very, very kind of you. I appreciate you very much. I'm super thankful. You are a huge blessing. At some point, I'm going to be getting a 2x4 and I'm going to be writing your names on it, which is going to be super cool. So I just want to make a quick video of me changing the battery out. The original battery that's in here, so I was going to get an Interstate battery, but someone in the previous video commented that both Interstate batteries and Walmart batteries are made by Exide, I believe. Is that how you say it? And the Interstate batteries are a lot more money. So I just went with Walmart because it's what I could get. This is a much bigger battery. Now this one is, as you probably heard in maybe my last video, this battery is from 8 of 2019. What's interesting is this is an EVERSTART Max from my Mustang, and this battery's still kind of good. It's getting old, but this battery, so the EVERSTART Maxes now do not have this warranty. This thing back then had a 5-year warranty program with a 3-year free replacement plus 2-year prorated. Now the maxes are 3-year because the plus is a 2-year, and I think the platinum, I can't remember what the platinums are. I believe it goes value plus max platinum, because the platinum ones are AGM batteries, I do believe. But I'll be keeping this battery around just to use it if I ever need it for anything. It'll probably end up down the road going into a lawnmower. Might use it for the Mustang because the Mustang's a V6. It's not a V8 that takes a lot to turn over. It definitely, when it's cold, this poor battery. Let me tell you something. Okay, I like Interstate that they're somewhat open about their Christianity, but Walmart, this battery, let me tell you, I have put this battery through the ringer. This is kind of also a review on Walmart batteries. I'll just put that in the title as well if you ever watch this. If you're watching this based on Walmart reviews, it can be very hit or miss. I have ran this battery dead many times. Like, I'm gonna sneeze. No, I'm not. It's going away. I have ran this battery, and this battery's also been run since 2019, basically non-stop. It was originally in the Mustang, and then it got put in here. And, I mean, this thing has been through the ringer. I cannot tell you guys. I've probably ran this thing dead and charged it. I don't even want to say or know how many. Like, this battery should be... this should be like 5 different batteries by now, somewhere in India. But I just wanted to say, huge shout out to Walmart. I kind of think it's lame that they changed their max warranty. I don't think the max warranty is 5-year anymore, plus 3-year free replacement, plus 2-year. Oh, wait a minute. You know what? I bet you the 3-year and the 2-year are combined. That makes sense. Which, if that's the case, it technically, I think, does still have a 3-year free replacement warranty. Actually, now that I think about it, I might be wrong on that. But the EVERSTART Plus is just a 2-year warranty, free replacement. I don't know if it's got any prorated anything on it. It should. I don't know why Walmart doesn't have like an extra like 6-month prorated thing just to, advertising stuff. But yeah, so this battery is a lot bigger, as you can maybe see, or we'll be able to see here in a second. But this is an EVERSTART Max H5. This is an EVERSTART Plus H7. Supposedly this has 650 cranking amps. It just says 650 cranking amps. This one has 750, but then this one back in 2019 they put the cranking amps at 32 degrees, which was 800, but it's no longer on these. This has a reserve capacity of 160 amp hours, which is really nice. So if I ever had an issue and I needed to leave the lights running on my truck, for lead acid batteries, you can use half of your amp rating. So 160 divided by 2 would be 80. Yes, it'd be 80. So I could leave this running. I could pull 1 amp for 80 hours, or I could pull 8 amps for 10 hours, or I could pull 80 amps for 1 hour. So this thing, I don't know how much my lights use. We'll probably say like 10 amps. So I could run my lights for 8 hours before the battery would be not able to crank the truck over anymore. But it, if I left my lights on for 8 hours, I mean, I've never done that before. Lord willing, I don't do that with this. But we're going to see if this thing fits. Hopefully it does. I was going to get platinum or a bigger one. I thought about getting a deep cycle, but some of them, they're quickly starting to not fit in the, because I measured this, and this one probably won't fit like super great, but I do have these clamps. I can just clamp it down. Technically you could put a huge battery in here, but like if you really wanted to in the battery, like you didn't care if it was like seated down its thing, you could put Walmart's giant deep cycle in, which it's like unbelievably big. I was looking at it and I was like, I could make that fit. It literally is like this battery plus like another 2 inches each direction. Is very large. It's meant for RVs, so anyways, all that being said, you don't have to go down in my descriptions, you don't have to donate or any of that. Thank you. But it's with your help that I'm able to progress my life forward, whether it be with the truck or hopefully down the road just me making a living off YouTube or buy me a coffee. And the reason, let's see if I can not get in trouble saying this, the reason I have a buy me a coffee link is because some platforms take a lot less of your money that you're trying to give to me. I'll leave it at that. You can look up the research and see, but I'll just leave it at that. So we're gonna go ahead and get this off here. Anyway, so I'm super thankful that that one of you donated. I've had some other people donate and I'm very thankful for them as well. But yes, obviously being able to get a battery for my truck, I usually, honestly y'all, I rarely have stuff like this happen. So, you know, I do make a little bit of money off YouTube, but recently all of a sudden the algorithm has really took a dive on basically everybody's channels. It's not going too hot. I've definitely noticed a decline over the past couple, like 2 weeks for my stuff. So just to show you a size difference, I'm actually gonna get a thumbnail real quick, but you can see the size difference is quite, you know, you got this one here versus battery's an extra 2 inches. So hopefully that fits in there. So we're gonna take that, drop it down. I'm gonna get this. I don't actually know why I had this in here. What is this? Oh, these are my carpet, and these are my, no way. These are my mats for my stinking the truck. I need new ones of those too. This stinking foot's starting to wear out. I'd like to get, I'm just gonna save up and get an actual carpet with a floor mat. Let's see if I can get this to fit. So the measurement here was like 7.5 by 11.5. I think this is 12. So, and then I was gonna get, oh, that's right. I was gonna get the platinum version of this, but these are swapped, so my positive would have been over here and it needs to be over here. So, oh man, look at that. It doesn't really fit, but that's okay. It's a little large. It's hitting down here by literally, I don't know, a 1/16, but I mean that works. I can tighten that down. You know, I almost can get that to fit in there. I think I'd rather have it at a slight angle though. So, okay, let's see. Is this gonna work still? No, it's not quite. Okay, that's okay. So it's just hitting a little weird. Can it go this way? No, it doesn't. Really doesn't matter. But normally it's supposed to clamp here, but it's hitting up here, which really neither here nor there. I'm gonna stinking make sure this thing's very tight. So y'all, I'm trying to get content out more and more. I'm just gonna start uploading more and more stuff as well because I just want to start filming, and I'd rather film than not film. Oh, do I please tell me these are right? No, they're not right. Gosh dang it. Thinking Harbor Freight. Oh man, that's frustrating. I don't think I have the other ones either. Okay, what we're gonna do is then I need to get a crush washer then. Something I do wish is that Harbor Freight would upgrade their nut and bolt selection. I wish they would actually get a selection of like a hardware section, like a Hillman section, except not Hillman. I mean, if they contracted out to Hillman, that would be cool, but I really do wish that they would upgrade that, because right now they just have these really chintzy, lame pre-packaged deals, and I would so much rather them have an actual hardware section. I mean, thinking about it, they're missing out on tons of competition, you know, versus, I mean, what? You got stinking Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart now has one, Ace Hardware's have them, Tractor Supplies have them. Like, why is Harbor Freight not getting into that? Tighten this down. What was that? It's making noise. My truck's creaking and crackling. Yes, the truck leaking oil sucks. I need to get a catch can. This thing just, it's got lots of blow by. It is what it is right now. I can't really do much about it, to tell you the truth. Because blow by requires, you know, not easy to fix. Okay. And that's probably not going anywhere. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you arc your positive out to your negative. No, I'm joking, don't do that. Okay, we're going to take our negative, we're going to clean it up. One of my random hairs is on there. Stinking. Tell you what, being a blonde sometimes. Man, the truck's going to stinking. Motor's going to crank so fast, the pistons are going to come out of it. Oh yeah. Oh, it definitely fits pretty good too. Sweet. Thank you again to the person that donated. Very, very gracious of you. Thank you. I thank the Lord Jesus for you. Very much so. Yeah, the other battery is getting so weak that my lights would start surging with the RPM of the motor, which I don't think they should do that. Okay, this thing's in. I believe it's literally the same height, so. Oh yeah, the headlights are definitely brighter. You guys see that? Headlights are definitely bright. I'm gonna assume it's charging. I don't know why it wouldn't be. That does not seem like that's charging right there. Okie dokie. So it was 12.8 with all the lights on, and then 13.4 with all the lights off. And then I revved it up with the lights on and got up to 14, so. Look at that, new battery. That is pretty stinking sweet. Wow, that is very nice. Wow. That's very nice. I have a new battery. That's so amazing. Okay. And it's got a lot of juice too. Man, it cranks that thing over like. The other one, when it sits, it'll have like two like, and then it'll start like really like laboring. But anyways, other than that, I just want to make a quick video thanking you. I don't know if I finished saying what I was saying, but none of you have to donate or do any of that. I don't care. I'm glad you're here watching the video. But of course, the links are in the description, and it helps me out a lot, and y'all are a huge blessing. I can't think of anything else. Next couple of videos, the shed is just about done, and oh yeah, there's going to be a video on the truck coming up here very soon. It's going to be kind of cool. It's going to be definitely an interesting video. We'll see how it goes, but yeah, other than that, thank y'all for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. God bless.